How to fix Ctl3d32.dll missing or not found error in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow those steps. Click on search, type PowerShell, right click on Windows PowerShell, select Run as Administrator. Go to the video description. You will find this command there in the video description. Copy this command, paste into Windows PowerShell and press enter. Ctl3d32.dll would be downloaded in the C drive. After running this command, go to C drive, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. This PC, C drive. Here is Ctl3d32.dll. Select this file and copy the file. Click on copy. Then go to the Windows directory. Open the syswow64 folder and paste the copied file. Right click and select paste. You will need to provide administrator permission to copy this folder. Click on continue. The Ctl3d32.dll missing will be fixed. You can follow one more way to fix this issue. Open File Explorer. Go to this PC. Then go to C drive. In the search box, type Ctl3d32. Wait for the results to load. Once loaded, you will find one folder here and some files. Open the folder from the result. Copy this Ctl3d32.dll. Open a tab. Go to this PC, C drive. Open the Windows directory. Find syswow64 and open this folder. Right click on this folder and select paste. Click on continue. Basically, you have to paste Ctl3d32.dll file in syswow64 folder. The issue would be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.